on this computer. Okay. Okay, so we want it in this form, right? We want it in y equals mx plus b. We want it to look like that, okay? So
Yeah.
we want it in this exact order. We want the y on the left. We want this we want that's slope, right? The m is slope, so that's the slope. And then what's b? What's b? What's the letter on the end here? Y
Mm,
y-intercept. Do you know what that means? Y-intercept?
no.
Where the graph intersects the y-axis. So just write this down in your notes, right? Y-intercept means where the graph intersects the y-axis. So where the graph intersects the y-axis. That make sense? Y-intercept, where the graph intersects the y-axis. Okay, so copy that down in your notes. Okay,
Yeah.
all right. Okay, so this
Okay.
one's in the right form. This one's in the right form. What's the y-intercept on this one? What's the number on the end here?
Huh?
Plus zero, right? Zero is the y-intercept, right? So that one's plus zero.
Yeah.
This one's in the right form. This one's in the right form. This one's in the right form. This one we'll have to put in the right form, okay? All right, so 1 through 6 we can start
Okay.
right away. Okay, so where do we start? Where do we start? Number one, where do we start? Where do we start here? Do we start with the slope or do we start with the y-intercept?
Slope?
No, we start with the y-intercept. So we'll start. So first,
Oh.
put it in the right form, right? Put it in this slope intercept form. This is called the slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. Slope y-intercept form. Okay, so first step, we got to put it in the slope intercept form. Okay, so number one's already in the slope y-intercept form. Okay. All right, so we're going to start with the y-intercept. So we know that the y-intercept is 3, right? So where do I draw my first dot? If the y-intercept is 0, 3, the first dot goes at 0,
Okay.
3. 0, 3 right there, okay? So we always start with the y-intercept. Where's the second dot? We know the slope is 2. So from this first dot, what do we do?
Move to?
Which way?
Or is it go
Up,
right?
down. We're gonna
Oh,
move up.
up.
Yeah, we know
Sorry.
two is the same as 2/1, right? So we go up 2, 1, 2, then what? So up 2 and to the right 1. Okay. So up 2,
Yeah.
1, 2, and to the right 1. Okay. So we can draw that line right there. Okay, we're gonna draw a couple more dots on this graph. Up 2, 1, 2, to the right 1, up 2, to the right 1. Okay, so now we're gonna draw that line there. Okay. Make sense?
Hmm. Yeah.
All right, so we always start with the y-intercept, and then we use the slope after. Okay, so first dot we draw at the y-intercept, and then we. Okay, I didn't draw a straight line. Let me draw the straight line for you. So now all we're going to do is connect those points. Okay, so something like that.
Hmm.
Okay, so that's the first one. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, number two. Where do we start number two?
Y-intercept.
Okay, where's the first dot?
7, -7.
0, -7, right? 0, -7 is down
Yeah.
there. Okay, where's the second dot? -4 is the slope. So -4/1, right? So we go up. Do we go up or down 4?
Up.
So it's negative, so we go down.
Oh, down.
Down. And then the 1 is positive, so we go 1 to the right. Okay. So 4 down, 1 to the right. 4 down, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1 to the right. Okay. So that point right there. Make sense? And
Yeah.
then you just connect them. Yeah, I didn't connect them too good. You just connect the two dots after that, okay?
Okay.
So that's the second one. All right, so O start at the y-intercept and then use the slope to get the second dot. All right. All right, number 3. What's number 3? All right, let me scroll down actually. You got 1 and 2 already?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna scroll down a little bit. All right, 3. 3x. Where do we start?
The y-intercept
Okay, what's the y-intercept?
is +0.
Yeah, there's no such thing as positive 0. So where's the first dot? It's just 0, right? It's just 0. Where's the first dot then? Right there. 0, right? Right there. Okay.
Yeah.
Where's the second dot?
3 up
Okay, 3 up. 1, 2, 3. Then what?
and then 3 up again.
1 to the right. So remember, 3 is the same
Oh
thing
yeah.
as 3 over 1, right? So this is the rise. That means left or right. And this is the run. So rise is the change in the y value. Over the run is the change in the x value. Okay. So we're going up 3 up. 1, 2, 3, and then 1 to the right. 3 up. 1, 2, 3. 1 to the right. 3 up. 1, 2, 3. 1 to the right. Then we connect those dots. Okay.
Yeah.
Making some sense?
Yeah.
All right. Same idea on the rest of these. Okay. Number 4. Where's the first dot on number 4?
0, 2.
Good. So 0, 2 is right here. Where's the second dot?
Is it 0, -2? Or is it just 0, 2?
Well, this y-intercept is -2, right? The y-intercept equals -2, right? So that in coordinate
Yeah.
terms, is 0, -2. Y-intercept just means the x is 0, right? This is your x
Okay.
and this is your y. So this right here, y-intercept of -2 just means 0, -2.
Okay.
All right. So we got 0, -2 on the graph. Number 4. Where's the next dot?
Um, is it 3 up? No,
Or
1 up. Sorry, 1
all right.
up.
Yep. 1 up and what? What's the slope? What's the slope right here? What's the coefficient right here? What number is right here?
Mm.
What number?
1.
1. So 1 is the same thing as 1 over 1, right?
Yeah.
So we go up 1 and 1 to the right. Up 1, 1 to the right. Up 1, run to the right. Up 1, run to the right. Okay. That's number 4. And then you just connect these dots. So that's number 4. All right. Number 5. All right. You got 3 and 4?
No. Yeah.
All right. I'm going to erase number 3 and 4. Where is it? Clear all drawings. Okay. So tell me about number 5. 2/3 x plus 6. Where's the first dot?
6.
0, 6, right? 0, 6. Yeah. 0, 6 is right here. Where's the second dot? 2 over 3, right? So what do we go? Do we go up 3, to the right 3, down 3? What do we do?
Um, up 3.
Up 2,
Up 2. Yeah. And then right
3. Yep, up
3.
2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And then let's draw one more dot. Up 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, connect those dots. Getting the idea a little bit?
Yeah.
Do you guys do examples in class like this?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. All right, so you're right. Just the more you practice these, the better you'll get, right? All right,
Mm-hmm.
6. Okay, so what do you notice about 6? Is it in the right form?
No.
All right, so how can we put it in the right form?
Yeah. I
All right,
think
so how do we put it in the right form?
y equals 7x minus 8
Y equals 7x minus 8 or plus 8?
plus 8.
Plus 8. Okay, good. Where do we start?
8.
0, 8. Okay, 0, 8 is right there. Now, where's the second dot? We know the slope is 7. 7 is the same as 7 over 1. So if we were to go up 7 dots, or 7, 1, 2, we would be at 15, right? We bet at like somewhere right here, and then we'd go over 1. Right? We go up 7, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, somewhere up here, and then go over 1. Okay, and then you connect those two dots. Oops. Okay, something like that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right, what do you notice about number 7? All right, puts number 7 in the right form.
Y equals 1/2 plus 2x.
Y equals 1/2 plus 2x plus 4.5, right?
Yeah.
Okay, simplify it a little bit more. So make it look like this right here. The slope times x plus the y-intercept.
2x.
Yep. Plus what's 4.5 plus 1.5? 4.5 plus half.
5.
There you go. Okay, so where's the first dot?
5.
Actually, my bad.
0, 5.
Actually, wait. Let's back up a second here. Should this be plus half or minus half here? This should be minus half, right? Minus half. All right, so let's change this number right here. What's 4.5 minus half? There's your negative half.
4.
Yeah, exactly. So there's our new equation. Redo. I want to erase this. So 2x plus 4. Okay, so this is number 7, right? Where's the first dot? Number 7.
0, 4.
0, 4. Where's the second dot?
Um,
We go up how many?
2,
And we go to the right how many?
1.
Okay, go up 2, right 1. Go up 2, right 1. Go up 2, right 1. Okay, that's it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Like that. Okay, you good on 7?
Yeah.
All right, let's go to 8, 9, 10. Let's finish 8, 9, 10. After we do 10, I'm gonna show you some maybe we'll go to Desmos. All right, so take a picture of 5, 6, 7, or just copy those ones down.
Okay, I have them.
Okay, let me erase that and then clear all. Which one are we on? 8. 8. Okay, tell me about 8. Let's solve 8. Let's put 8 in the right form. So what's the right form for 8?
Um,
We have 5y there, right? But we only want y. So how do we solve for y? What can we do to both sides?
subtract 5.
Not subtract 5, but
Add 5.
divide everything by 5. Divide everything by 5.
Um,
So we're going to divide all 3 terms by 5, right? So what's the new equation? What does it simplify to? Y equals what's negative 10 divided by 5?
2.
Negative 2x plus, what's 15 divided by 5?
3.
Okay, so 2x, negative 2x plus 3. Okay, so this is 8. All right, let's just do 8 right here. Okay, actually, let's just do 8 right here. 8, 9, 10. Actually, let's do it right here. 8, this will be 8. That'll be 9, that'll be 10. Okay, this is 8, this will be 9, and this will be 10. All right, where's the first dot on number 8?
3, 0, 3.
0, 3. Where's the second dot on number 8?
Move down 2
Yep.
and right 1.
Yeah, exactly. Down 2, 1, 2, right 1, down 2, right 1, down 2, right 1. Like that. Okay. Like that. Okay. Good on 8.
Yeah.
All right, 9. What's 9 in the right form?
Y equals 4x.
Let's see here. Y equals what?
4x.
So you're gonna subtract x on both sides, and you're gonna add 4 on both sides. So that'll cancel and that'll cancel. But make sure you subtract x here and add 4 here. Okay. So what we want to do is solve this for y. In other words, we want to take the x to that side, and we want to take the negative 4 to that side. So what's y going to equal to? If you subtract x on both sides, right? It's just going to be minus x on this side. Then what? Plus 8 minus 4 or plus 4? What's the sign right here? Minus or plus?
No, plus.
Plus, yep. 8 plus 4. All right, now simplify this. What's 8 plus 4?
12.
8 plus 4 is 12. Okay. So where's the first dot on number 9?
On 12.
0, 12. So 0, 12 is like right here, right? About right here. Where's the second dot?
Down.
Negative 1 over 1. That's the same thing as negative 1, right? So we go down 1 and to the right 1. Down 1 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 to the right 1. Make sense?
Yeah.
All right. So there we go. That's number 9. Okay, so number 10. What's number 10 in the right form? Negative 2y equals 3. Is it in the right form?
Yeah.
No.
No.
We want to. What do we want to do to both sides? We don't want to solve it for negative.
Subtract. Oh, divide 2.
Divide everything by what?
2. Negative 2.
Negative 2. Negative 2. Yeah. Negative 2. Divide that by negative 2, that by negative 2, and that by negative. Okay, so what's the new equation? That'll cancel. Y equals what? 3 over negative 2x. And then what's this part right here? Minus 10 divided by negative 2. What is that equal to? What is 10 divided by negative 2 with a negative sign in the front? What is this? Equal
Is
to?
it negative 5?
The inside is negative 5, right? The inside, but then you've got a negative on the front. So
So
negative,
positive 5?
Yeah, exactly. Positive 5. Okay, so 3 over negative 2x plus 5. Where's the first dot?
0, 5.
0, 5. Where's the second dot?
Right to the right 3, and then
Well, remember, up and down is first. Up and down is first.
oh,
Up 3.
down, no, up 3,
Up 3, yep.
and left 2.
Good. Yeah, right there, okay. Then you connect those 2 points. Like that, okay? Make sense?
Yeah.
Am I going too fast?
No.
You okay? All right, so that was it.
Yeah.
Just those questions. Oh no, you got more. Okay. 20. All right, well, let's do 10 more. All right. Can I erase it? 10?
Yeah.
All right. Annotate, clear all drawings. Okay, so we got 11 through 20. Okay, so 11, 12, none of these are in the right form. We got to put them in the right form, then graph them. All right, tell me what to write for 11. Y equals what?
4x plus 6.
Exactly, 4x plus 6. Okay, so where's the first dot on 11?
0, 6.
0, 6. Where's the second dot on 11?
Um,
Actually, let me move it up a little bit. Clear all drawings. Okay, so first dot is 0, 6. Oh, okay, so let me write it again. Y equals 4x plus 6. First dot's at 0, 6. Where's the second dot?
is it down 4?
If it was negative 4, it would be down 4, but it's positive 4.
Up 4?
Up 4, and then what?
6 to the right.
Well, remember, 4 is 4 over 1, right? So up 4,
Oh,
right,
sorry.
right 1. Up 4, right 1.
Yeah.
Up 4, right 1. Right there. Okay. So remember, slope, which is m, is just the change in the y direction divided by the change in the x direction. So that just means up or down over left or right. Left or right. Okay. So if it's positive, it will be up. If it was negative, it would be down. If it's negative, it will be left. If it was positive, it would be right. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so copy this down. Like copy this right here down, just for in your notes or in your notebook, so you just remember. Up is positive, right is positive. Down is negative, left is negative. All right. All right, which one are we on? 12.
Yeah.
All right, tell me what to write for 12. What can we do with 12 to both sides? We want to solve for 1y, not 2y. So what can we do?
Divide by 2.
So what's everything divided by 2?
X
Yep,
plus
yep.
4.
Good. All right, 12. Where's the first dot?
4.
0, 4. Where's the second dot?
Up 1
Yep. Up 1 and?
to the right 1.
Yep, exactly. Up 1 to the right 1. Let me do that one again. Up 1 to the right 1, up 1 to the right 1, up 1 to the right 1. Just connect these. Okay. All right. So let me ask you this. In number 11, is that a positive slope or negative slope? And
Negative.
positive slope, right? Remember, look, there's your positive number right there, 4, right? So we would expect it going up, it would go up to the right. And then same with 12. It's going up to the right because we have a positive slope. The slope is +1 on number 12. Okay, so those two are positive slopes. All right. 13. What's 13? What are we going to do both sides?
Divide by 3.
Okay, so what does y equal? Y equals 4/3x minus what? What's 6 divided
2.
by 3? Yeah, exactly. So 13, where's the first dot on 13?
-2.
0, yeah, 0, -2. Where's the second dot?
Up 4.
Yep,
And then to the right 3.
yes. Up 4 to the right 3. Okay, something like that. All right, where is the 2 here? So we're gonna draw that line right there. Okay. All right, 14, what are we gonna do? What's 14 in the right form? So just
Y
solve that for y. So 2y, let's start with 2y. 2y equals what? 7x plus 4 or minus 4?
plus 4.
Plus 4, now what?
Divide by 2.
Divide by 2, 7/2, x plus what? 4 divided by 2?
Yeah. Oh, 2.
2, yeah. Okay, so this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, so that's what, 14? All right, so 14, where's the first dot on 14?
0, 2.
Where's the second dot on 14?
Up 7.
Yep,
And to the right 2.
right there. Okay. What do you notice about those 4 lines? What do you notice about those 4 lines? What do those 4 lines have in common?
Um, they all go to the right
They all slope up to the right. Why do they all slope up to the right?
because they're all positive.
Because all
The
what are
positive slope.
positive?
The slopes is a positive slope.
Yeah, exactly. 4, 1, 4/3, and 7/2 are all positive numbers. So we expect them to go up to the right because the slopes are positive. If the slopes were negative, they would go down to the left. Sorry, they would go, I drew it wrong. They would look like this, down to the right, right? That would be a negative slope. But we have positive slopes. All right, what about 16? So just rewrite 16 as -6y equals 4x. Now what? What are we going to do to both sides?
Divide
By what?
-6.
So divide both sides by -6. The -6's will cancel. So what is y equal to?
4 over -6.
Yeah, exactly. 4/6x. Okay, so where's the first dot on this one? I'm gonna draw it right here, okay? 17.
What'd
17.
you say?
I'm gonna draw number 17 on number 11, the graph of number.
Okay.
All right, so -4/6x. Where's the first dot? What's the y-intercept there? What's the y-intercept on this one?
0,
Okay, so where's the first dot?
0, 0.
0, 0, good. Where's the second dot? Up,
It's
up or
up
down is first.
4
Up 4,
and
yeah.
to the left 6.
Good, good. Right there. Okay, what do you notice about that slope?
It's going down.
Down to the right. So it's it's a negative slope, right?
Yeah.
Here's your negative slope. Negative 4/6. That's negative. This number right here is negative. So we expect it to go down to the right, not up to the right. Okay, so that's 17. All right, can I erase these? We'll do 18,
Yeah.
18 and 19. We'll do clear. Okay, so 18. Let's do 18 right here. 4y plus 2x plus 6 equals 10 minus 3x. Okay, put this one in the right form. Y equals something. What does y equal?
What did you say?
How can we put 18 in the right form? We want it to look like this. Y equals slope times x plus the y-intercept. We want it to look like this. How can we make that look like this? What can we do to both sides? What are we going to do with this part right here?
Add them?
Add them to both sides or subtract them from both sides?
Subtract?
Why are we going to subtract them on both sides?
Because
It'll
that's
cancel out. Yeah, it'll cancel out. So minus 6 there and minus 2x here. Okay, so that and that will cancel. That and that will cancel. So what do we have? 4y equals what? What's negative 3x minus 2x?
one.
3x minus 2x. How much? You lose $3, then you lose $2. How much are you down?
-1.
Negative 5. Negative 5x, right? Remember, negative 3 minus negative 2 is the same thing as negative 3 plus negative 2, right? Which is negative 5. And then on this one, what's 10 minus 6? 10 minus 6, you already know, is what? What's 10 minus 6?
4.
All right, so minus 5x plus 4. Now what? One more step. What are we going to do to both sides?
Divide by 4.
Okay, so divide by 4. Divide everything by 4. All right, what do I write underneath? Y equals what?
-5/4.
Yep, x plus 1. Okay. All right, where's the first dot?
0, 1.
So I'm going to do it over here. 0, 1 is right there. Where's the second dot? Actually, I'll do it right here. 0, 1 is right there. Where's the second dot? Go down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then what? To the right 4, to the left 4? Down 5 and to the right 4. Down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and to the right 4. Okay. Is that making sense to you? Can you hear me? Are you on mute? Are you on mute? No, you're not on mute. Or type in the chat maybe. All right, we're on 19 now. We're on 19. All right. All right, tell me about 19. What are we going to do to 19? 2y minus 3 over 4x equals negative 16. Okay, what are we going to do there? You can hear me, right? I can't hear you. Can you type in the chat? You can hear me, right? You want me to continue or are you with me? Should I type in the chat? Let me type in the chat. All right, let's finish 19. All right, I'm going to help you out with 19, okay? All right, so 19, we're going to put it in the right form. So we want it to look like this. So we want to put it in slope y-intercept form. So what we're going to do is solve this for y. So what we're going to do is add 3 over 4x to both sides. Okay, add 3 over 4x to both sides. This and this will cancel out. So 2y equals 3 over 4x minus 16. Then we're going to divide both sides by 2. So divide that by 2, divide that by 2, 2, and divide this by 2. That'll cancel. So what is 3 over 4 divided by 1 over 2? What's that the same thing as? So this is the same thing as 3 over 4 times 2 over 1, right? Remember when we divide fractions, we just change the division sign to multiplication and then flip this second one, right? So this is the same thing as if we reduce that to 1 and reduce this to 2, this is 3 over 2. So 3 over 2x minus 8. All right, so let's graph it. So let's graph it where number 12 is. So first dot is at 0, -8. 0, -8 is right there. Then we go up 3 and to the right 2. Okay, up 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and to the right 2. Like that. All right, there we go. Okay, you good on that? Yeah. Any questions on that? I think we got, do we got one more? I think we got one more. Yeah, 20. All right, let's do 20. All right, take a picture or copy down 18 and 19. Then we'll do 20. All right, you got it? All right, let me erase it. All right, 20. Let's look at 20. Okay, 20, what we're going to do? We're going to do the same thing. Put it in the right form. We want it to look like y equals the slope times x plus the y-intercept. All right, so what we're going to do is solve this for y. So 9x minus y equals 1. So we're going to solve this for y. So negative y equals negative 9x plus 1. Okay, this is negative y, but we want to solve for positive y. So just flip all the signs. Positive, positive, and negative. 9x minus 1. Okay. Y-intercept of 0, negative 1. There's your 0, negative 1. Go up 9, to the right 1. There you go. There's your graph. Yeah, I should make the lines connect, make the dots connect. Okay, something like that, okay? Didn't draw too good, but you get the idea. Something like that, okay? Any questions on that? Make sense?